Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make Honey Melon Nectar. The first thing we're going to do to make this recipe is to coarse chop our cantaloupe. I did pre-chop it a little bit. I'll do a little bit more. Because these pieces are pretty big. That was almost my finger. Obviously, I'm not a gourmet chef. You can go smaller if you'd like, you get a more accurate measurement, but what I'm going to do is put 1 cup of this in here. And a little bit extra just to account for the air gaps. I'm going to put that in my bowl. Then I'm going to put in 1.5 tablespoons of honey. Because I only have my 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon here, I'm going to estimate the half. Because honey's tricky to work with anyway. And then a little bit more. Good. 1/2 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. If you do not have lemon juice, I have used lime juice in the past and it works out fine. Lemon juice I think is a little bit better. Getting this stuff out of the way, I'm going to muddle all this together. And the goal is to get it as close to a liquid as possible, so we're really trying to crush this stuff. So I'm going to take some time with this and I'll see you in a moment. Having muddled this, I'm going to strain it into another bowl. I'm going to move this out of the way. Now the recipe does say to use your muddler to force as much through the strainer as possible. However, I don't trust my muddler, so I'm just going to use a spoon instead. Again, this may take a little bit of time. See you in a moment. Alright, strained. So, there's only one thing left to do, and that is bottle, and label, and refrigerate. But since I don't have my labeling materials here, you're just going to have to trust me I'm going to do this. Note that this stuff only lasts a couple of days in the fridge, and by then, you're probably going to want to toss it out.